Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Safari and your Apple ID are ready. Check your Mac OS or iOS version because extensions require a compatible release. Update if needed. Sign into iCloud and enable Safari syncing so extensions and settings persist across devices. Then open Safari and go straight to Preferences or Settings and select the Extensions area. This is where you'll initiate installation. Once there, you're set to browse the extensions gallery or App Store listings and begin adding specific tools. Now you'll search for the exact extension you need. Use the Safari Extensions gallery or open the App Store's Extensions section. Type keywords to narrow results. Review each extension's description, ratings, and the permissions it requests so you understand what it can access. When you choose one, click Install or Get and wait for the download to complete. Make sure to grant any Safari permission prompts promptly. Otherwise, the extension won't activate. Once installed, the extension appears in the Extensions list ready for configuration. Finish by enabling and configuring the extension so it behaves how you want. In Safari Preferences, toggle the extension on, then open its options to customize settings like site access and shortcuts. Test the feature on the sites where you expect it to work and make adjustments to permissions if something's blocked. If the extension misbehaves, try disabling and re-enabling it, check for extension or Safari updates, and reinstall as a last resort. That usually fixes corruption or compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.